Friends, myself Panduranga Dagde, working as assistant professor in Mechanical Engineering Department at NB Navle Sinhagad College of Engineering, Solapur. My specialization is in mechanical design engineering. In this lecture, we start the discussion of liquid flat plate collector. The liquid flat plate collector is the most widely used solar collector because it is simple in design, has no moving parts, and requires less maintenance. The basic parts of conventional flat plate collector are the absorber plate, the transparent cover, and collector bore. The main advantage of liquid flat plate collector is that it utilizes both the beam and diffuse components of solar radiation. Also, because of its simple stationary design, it requires little maintenance. Now see the construction of liquid flat plate collector, which is shown in figure. The absorber plate is usually made from a thin sheet ranging in thickness from 0.2 to 0.7 mm, while the tubes, which are also of metal, range in diameter from 1 to 1.5 centimeter. The cover should be made of a material which is highly transparent to incoming solar radiation, such as glass with low ferrite oxide. The bottom and sides are usually insulated by mineral wools, oak wool, or glass wool. Now see the performance analysis of liquid flat plate collector. We will not take up for detailed consideration for performance analysis of liquid flat plate collector. The analysis is done for a steady state situation. Now see an energy balance on absorber plate have following equation for steady state. Q suffix U is equal to A suffix P into S minus Q suffix L, where Q suffix U is nothing but useful heat gain, capital S is incident solar flux absorbed, A suffix P is area of absorber plate, and Q suffix L is rate at which heat is lost by convection and re-radiation. Now see the efficiency of liquid flat plate collector. The collection efficiency is given by useful heat gain divided by radiation incident on collector, and that is nothing but Q suffix U divided by A suffix C multiplied with I suffix T, where Q suffix U is useful heat gain, A suffix C is collector gross area, and I suffix T is total radiation. That is nothing but the global radiation, and which is the summation of beam radiation plus diffused radiation. Now see the effect of various parameters on the performance of the liquid flat plate collector. Large number of parameter influences the performance of liquid flat plate collector. These parameters could be classified as design parameters, operational parameters, meteorological parameters, and environmental parameters. Mostly following parameters or factors are considered as a major effect on the performance analysis. So we learn these parameters one by one. So we start from the first parameter, that is the selective surface. So first see what is meant by these selective surfaces. If absorber plate which exhibit the characteristics of a high value of absorptivity for incoming solar radiation and low value of emissivity for outgoing radiation are called as selective surfaces. Such surfaces are desirable because they maximize the absorption of solar energy. In most of these surfaces, the selectivity is achieved by having a polished and cleaned metal base. Now move to the next parameter, that is number of covers. The experimentation results shown that The highest value of efficiency is obtained with one cover if absorber plate surface is selective. With addition of more covers, the efficiency goes on decreasing. On the other hand, when the absorber plate is non-selective, the efficiency goes on increasing with addition of more covers, but it is limited to 2 to 3. Thereafter, efficiency goes on decreasing. Now see the third parameter, that is the spacing. The proper spacing to be kept between the absorber plate and first cover or in between two covers. The main problem associated with the use of larger spacing is that shading of absorber plate by the side walls of collector casing increases. Recommended space is 6 cm, but we can use 2 to 3 cm. Now move to the last parameter, that is cover transmissivity. Transmissivity of cover affects the performance of a collector significantly. The higher the transmissivity, greater the performance of the collector. So we stop here. Thank you.